Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up on-site function of PX-01 and Cube via config file. Here's an architecture diagram. There are two categories, on-site and regional setup of PX-01 and Cube via config file. In this video, we'll be focusing on the on-site setup, and here are the 5 parameter files: palette, relay, alarm, broadcast, and recording. And before we start, please switch on PX-01 or Cube and press the function button for 1 second. The IP address will be displayed on the screen. If you have any questions about PX-01 or Cube, please refer to the PX-01 unboxing, Cube unboxing, or how to set up regional function of PX-01 and Cube via config file videos. And now, let's move on to the setup. To start, please enter the IP of PX-01 in the browser. Here's a friendly reminder, we recommend you to use the Google Chrome browser. Then it will take you to the login page. You can choose your preferred language down here. For first-time users, please change the password. And then select Factory Config from the side menu and click Download below Config. You will get a valert.cfg file which includes all the parameters setting. Then open the config file. Please remove the # before the parameters of which you want to enable. Let's take a look at the input setting. Palette IP. Enter the IP of Palette Plus of which PX-01 is connecting. You can set maximum of 33 IP addresses. Message Palette. You can decide which Palette Plus is connected to PX-01 by entering 0 to 32. N where N out of M, and M where N out of M. You can decide the number of Palette Plus needed to be activated when an event happens. N out of M in second. You can also define the seconds required between activation of each Palette Plus. N out of M by middle. Palette Plus will recognize events as earthquakes if set parameters are triggered. Please see the charts for reference. And now let's move on to relay setting. Single relay mode. In single relay mode, only the highest number of relay out will be on when all other relay will be off. Relay blink mode. In this mode, you can set up the light of PX-01 to blink or not when connected to relay. Relay control by error. In this mode, you can set up the light of PX-01 to blink or not when error occurs. Relay reset by manual. You can reset the relay back to default by pressing 3 seconds of the function button. Relay 1 gale to relay 4 gale. You can set up the trigger threshold for PGA when an event occurs. Relay intensity. You can set up the trigger intensity here when an event occurs. Now, let's take a look at the voice alarm setting. Voice alarm play number. You can set up the numbers of playback for voice alarms. Day voice alarm intensity and night voice alarm intensity. You can set up different thresholds for voice alarm for daytime and nighttime. Now let's move on to broadcast setting. MQTT config. When event is triggered, PX-01 or Cube send messages via MQTT. Line. Line notification is available. Please contact our FAE for more information. Recording is the last function we'll be talking about in this video. Event file format. Files are available in both CSV and MSCED forms. Please enter the file form you would like to record with. Record intensity. You can set up the intensity of threshold. Pre-event second and post-event second. In case of data preservation, you can choose to record before and after events. Enter the seconds you would like to record. For instance, enter 30 if you would like to record 30 seconds prior to the event. Event file max length in second. This function is the maximum capacity of the recording file. A new file will be created once the current file is over the seconds you set up. The default setting is 60 seconds. Global event enable. If this function is enabled, all connected Palette Plus will record when an event occurs.